haul. I have on the pants, and then this is the jacket that matches. It has this cute little like bow detail. The jacket is fully lined, but the pants are not. It has this weird sort of sound to it. It's not, I don't know what fabric it is. But anyway, the jacket I think is really cute. It's a crop blazer, which is great because I'm only 4'11". I got the jacket in a size 18. And the pants I got in a 16. But as you'll see in the video that it's really cute. The jacket I probably could have gotten a 16, but I get it bigger because I want to have arm room. And I do have some arm room in here, but the jacket is probably a little bit bigger than it needs to be. But I love the gold buttons here. There's a gold button on the pant right here. And I think it's just a cute little outfit if you have a black tie affair or a wedding or, you know, funeral, whatever you want to wear for a brunch, a lunch, you know, a business meeting. I think it's really cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep both pieces. The jacket I really like, and I kind of feel like, I don't know, I'm growing to love it a little bit more as I speak about it. But I don't know. We'll see. But I think it's a really cute outfit. I got it on sale at Eloquii, and I think it's a really cute outfit. The next item that I'm going to talk about briefly is my Galentine's dress that I'm excited to show you guys. So, be right back with that. Okay, so this is my Galentine or Valentine's Day dress. I got my nails to match the dress. As you can see, I have a little heart on there, and it matches this cute little number. Look at that. Just the shimmery. I cannot wait to wear this. I don't even have anywhere to go really, but I'm gonna wear this. I love it because it is sequins, but and it is fully lined. So it has this nice soft pink lining gathered in the waist, the big flowy arms, which I love. I love the two-tone pink, which is dark pink all down this side, and then the light pink over there with the dark hearts. This is the back of it, which I think is really cute. And then it has a cute little split, as you'll see, a little split right up the front. So I think it's a cute little dress. I'm gonna have to find tons of places to wear it to. I don't know, but I think it's really, really cute, and I'm excited about it. This is the other item that I got from Eloquii. And then my last one that I got that I'm not even sure if I talked about really is this sequence. I got this on like crazy sale. I got this on crazy sale from Eloquii right after the holidays, and I wore it to a very elite holiday party. So you have, let me take this blazer off. I have a blazer and matching pants, kind of like this set. The blazer is cropped. It doesn't have buttons, it has snaps, and then it has this satin lapel. So this is, and this is fully lined as well. This jacket here, I think I also got a little bit, let me see what size I got this one. I got this one, okay, this one I got in a 16 because I felt like it would be a bit stretchier, and it is. And the black one, the black blazer, is an 18 because it has no stretch in it. So this one has some stretch, has nice broad shoulders, and then it has a button closure here. So this is, oh, see, I think I could use another button here. It's a little bit big there too, but this is the jacket, crop jacket, and it goes with these tuxedo sequins pants. So these pants have black tuxedo down the leg on both sides. So here, and then it has elastic in the waist, which these black ones that I have on don't have elastic in the waist. So these have elastic in the waist. These I got in a 14 because I think I got an 18 thinking that they would not be stretchy, and they were like super duper duper big. So I got these in a 14, and I'll try those on for you so you can see what they look like. But because I don't know if I have a video of me wearing them, so I'll put them on. The only thing about sequins is that when you have big thighs and they rub, your sequence kind of does that between the legs. And all night I was like popping. All night I was trying to pop the string from the sequence that kept. So if you see here, you'll see like this little, I don't know if you can see it, but this little plastic here, those kept getting caught together. So I had that whole situation gathering. If they had a 12, I probably could have got a 12 too, but these are the pants. Put a shirt on, so I'm a little bit taller. They're comfortable. They are very comfortable, and like I said, lots of stretch in them. So here's that's the outfit. Like I said, when you walk, the legs rub and the sequins get stuck, so I had to keep popping them. But love this outfit. Eloquii. You can wear the bottoms by themselves. You can wear the top by itself with some jeans or some black pants, and it's a look. So I love it. This I'm definitely keeping because I've worn it already, and I just think it's like a nice little staple to have. You can wear either piece at any point, a party or something. So that is my haul, basically the 3 items, 3 sets or whatever that I got from Eloquii. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So continue watching, like, share, and I'll see you guys all in the next